In this video, I'm going to reveal one of the most powerful wealth hacks we've found. And the great news is that all you have to do for this to succeed is nothing. Hey, if we're just meeting for the first time, my name is Dr. Brad Klontz. If you want to learn more about how your money mindset can help you create the financial life you want, subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss anything. Now let's get right into it. Okay, let's face it, you're lazy. You can't help it, and you're not alone. It turns out that we're all wired to be lazy. When given a chance, we'll be naturally drawn to doing things the easy way. We prefer to spend the least amount of effort it takes to get the job done. We're wired to conserve energy and to not exert ourselves unnecessarily. This tendency was passed down to us from our ancestors, who lived in a world of limited resources. This mental attitude helped them survive. Often, they didn't know where they were going to get their next meal, so it made sense for them to conserve their energy. This helped them maximize their ability to survive during times of scarcity. Our natural tendency to conserve energy plays out in a whole host of ways in our modern day life. Take working out, for example. We have to override our natural laziness to go ahead and work out. It requires a conscious effort to build this habit into our lives. It's just not natural for us to burn a bunch of calories unnecessarily by running around in circles or lifting heavy things and setting them down or pedaling a bike in place and going nowhere. So we need to push past this mental resistance to exercising. We're also wired to conserve mental energy, and so we have a bunch of shortcuts that allow us to do this. One of the ways we conserve our mental energy is a preference for the status quo. We have a natural bias to keeping things exactly the way they are right now. It takes mental effort to change, and it's something we have a tendency to avoid doing. It's so much easier to just keep things the way they are. So given that we are lazy and we prefer to keep things exactly the way they are, how can we use this to help crush our financial goals? The key is to capitalize on this mental laziness and to harness it. And the way to do that is through automation. For example, let's say that your goal is to start investing for retirement or to invest more money for retirement. You've decided this goal is important to you and you're excited to get going with it. You've also decided how much money you want to save each month to reach that goal. At this point in the process, one of the worst things you can do is rely on your future self to be writing a check every month towards that goal. You see, it'll only be a matter of time until something really important comes up that you need that money for, or you forget to write the check. It takes mental effort to make that contribution each month. Given that, it's easy to fall behind or forget about it altogether and not reach your goal. Given our propensity for keeping things exactly the way they are, a much better technique, an incredibly powerful technique, is to automate those contributions. Make them automatic. This can be done by automating money moving from your checking account to an IRA or a savings account, or through salary deferrals into a 401k or other employee-sponsored retirement fund. When you automate this, you're setting the stage for your success. Because remember, you're mentally lazy and it takes energy to go in and stop that contribution, and you're probably not gonna do it. When you automate, it takes conscious effort for you to go in and then sabotage reaching that goal. And you're probably not gonna wanna do that. Sabotaging yourself would require that mental effort. You'd have to take a few steps to do it, the whole time thinking through it and realizing this isn't something I wanna do. I don't wanna sabotage my retirement. By automating the achievement of your goals, you'll be virtually guaranteeing your financial success. You'll be harnessing the power of your mental laziness and putting it towards your goals. So, get clear about your financial goals. Get excited about your financial goals. Go ahead and take a few moments to automate your success. Go ahead and do it right now. Automate movement from your checking account into that savings goal. Do it now. Chances are you won't go change it, and before you know it, you'll achieve your goals. I'll see you next time.